Alixandria Ciccone, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to sharpen a pocket knife. So I have three materials. My first material is my Smith's sharpening stone, which I'm going to open it right here. And then I have water. And then I have my pocket knife. And this is the part that I'm going to be sharpening right here, which is the bevel. So the first thing, and I always want to make sure whenever I'm sharpening my knife that no one is around me. So I first get some water, and I don't want to pour it, I just want to put a little bit on so it's a smoother sharpening process. Okay, so now I'm going to start with doing it with my left hand, and I hold it down right here, and I'm going to sharpening it away from me. So I'm going to start right here, and I hold it flat, and then I lift it 20 to 30 degrees, and then I start at the where the knife starts, and then I slowly take it off like this. And then I'm going to do that 5 times, and then I'm going to switch. Now I'm going to do that same process with my right hand. And I start with it flat again, and I lift it, and just let the force go through the knife 5 times. And then lift it again, 3. So that is how you sharpen a knife.